I've taught workshops in Italy for years, and the thing I really love, I love the food, I love the weather, I love the history and the people, and just taking it all in over a glass of wine in the afternoon. But the thing I really love is painting Italian architecture. Part of it is the textures. Stone, stucco, tile, crumbling plaster, old iron grates covered in ivy. Every surface has not just a personality, but a story built on centuries of history and humanity. I love the grit. The buildings are used. They're used for cooking, for creating, for family and friends, for love affairs and political intrigue and dangerous last-minute escapes. Once, actually 3 times, I painted a door that was included on a census of 1812. That tumble-down quality, that's what I'm really after when I'm painting. For me, exploring these places, learning a bit about what might have happened there, and then trying to capture it in paint before drinks and dinner is really a way of connecting with all of that life. Every doorway, every cracked facade, every mossy stone has a story, and I'm trying to communicate that on canvas. I think October is the perfect time to be in the Mediterranean because the weather's cooled off and it's just gorgeous. Still nice enough to go swimming, but not so incredibly hot. And the tourists are gone. Are mostly gone, so it's a perfect time to paint Mediterranean villages and vineyards, taverns and cathedrals, and just to relax and explore. Casa Prota is a medieval village 45 minutes from Rome. We're staying at La Tenuta, a beautiful hotel renowned for its delicious food, and we'll be painting and exploring around some of the neighboring villages, as well as at my friend Mirko's estate, Il Palazzo del Gatto. The hotel's quiet and comfortable with delicious food and plenty of activities like yoga and cooking classes for anyone who isn't painting with me every day. I'm thrilled to be going back this October, and I hope you'll consider joining me.